So I'm just getting ready to do the sanding, just clearing out a little bit of the debris. It's really important that the joints between the pavers are fully clean and clear of any foreign debris like sawdust or bits of gravel, because the polymeric sand needs to be fully in the joint, and then when the water and the activation takes place, then you get a nice solid amount of polymeric between each joint. Sometimes it's also important to make sure that the stones are quite level to each other. These two are, and this one sits a little bit high, but then I started realizing this is our height, so I'm going to be lifting the stone. Back in the day, landscapers would either use flat screwdrivers or pointing tools to try and wedge in a paver, but we were dealing with pavers that were much smaller and easy to manage. Now that we're dealing with large slab series like this product from Techo-Bloc Aberdeen slab, these 30 by 30 and 20 by 30 slabs are quite heavy. So using something like the lift here, from Butler, using the right tools from the right job make it so much easier. Because what this thing does is, through suction with a little air compressor in here, it will seal down onto the paver surface, and then as a two-man little operation here, which I'm going to illustrate, we're going to turn this thing on. It's going to suction up onto the head of the device, and then we're going to easily lift this out of the ground and then reset it to the right level. And I'll show you how that works.